All right. Hello, guys. Welcome again to the Crypto Legend Indonesia. Okay. Right now, I would like to present my analysis to you, and yeah, it will be awesome. I think there are several cryptos, coins, tokens, whatever it is. It's several crypto that I think has have a good potential upside, and okay, you might want to buy it or maybe do a long position on this crypto. You might thank me later. Okay. But first of all, please like, comment, and subscribe this channel, and do follow me on Telegram, the Crypto Legend Indonesia. Okay, Crypto Legend underscore ID as in Indonesia. Right, your support will be much, much, much appreciated. And before we continue, please note that I'm not a financial advisor, and this content is for education and information and entertainment purpose. Should you follow my analysis here, you hold full responsibility of your financial condition. Whatever the financial consequences, whether you got lot of money or you lost money, you take responsibility. Okay. Now, let's start with Bitcoin dominance. Um, you see, the Bitcoin dominance is right now most probably going to break this support at the 62.3%, 62%. And what will happen? Well, um, this if Bitcoin dominance up, then Bitcoin will outperform other cryptocurrencies. But if Bitcoin dominance go down, altcoin will outperform. And by outperform, I don't mean by that Bitcoin will go up and alt will go down. No, no. It means that Bitcoin go up, but alt will go up a little bit. That's what I mean by outperform. Or if altcoins dump, Bitcoin will not dump as much. That's basically that's what it is. But if Bitcoin dominance down, then altcoin will outperform Bitcoin. So it means that the altcoin will rally or pump much harder than Bitcoin. Or if Bitcoin goes down, altcoin will not go down as hard as Bitcoin. You see this right now, it's still testing. We still have 8 more hours. However, if the candle closes below this line, we might go to the next support at 60. You see this support at 60 was here in 2019. Okay, and yeah, you can see if it drops, if Bitcoin dominance drop like how many points is this? 2 points here. Well, as long as the overall crypto market is not tanking, we can hope that the altcoins will rally again. Alt season still continues, blah blah blah. That would be super awesome. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so but actually, it's not only Bitcoin. From my experience, it's usually the big three. It's Bitcoin, ETH, and XRP. Well, let's see. So my main assumption, the caveat is that the when Bitcoin dominance go down, the crypto market is still bullish. So altcoin will go up like crazily. So let's see some altcoin that potentially has a good setup and potential going up. Okay. So the first altcoin is XLM, Stellar Lumens. Let me see. I think I already have some analysis, but okay. Yeah, this is my analysis. You see this? So this yellow line here is the multi-week resistance. You see, like Stellar Lumen has had tested this line like 1, 2, 3, and at the fourth time it broke, and the volume was large, so it's a legit breakout, not just a fake breakout. Then it formed a triangle pattern here, triangle pennant, whatever it is. Okay, and There was this dark mole candle, but overall, XLM is still trying to break out of this pattern. However, we will need to see a confirmation like from the volume. First, it needs to be a solid candle closure. The second, it has to be followed by a solid volume here. The volume needs to be a little bit higher. Okay, so let's just wait. If XLM fails to break this triangle, maybe we could go like here. This is the support that I drew, or maybe a little bit zigzag or going up and down inside the triangle. However, if the breakout is true and valid, we can measure the upside potential. The upside potential would be as big as this pattern. So let's put it here. Boom. So XLM has a potential to go up to 0.12. Okay, let's say 125, 0.125. Maybe with some reaction here in 0.118. Okay, 0.12. And how much was that? All right. Should if we take from this green candle closure to there, 10% up until this daily resistance. Maybe there will be some reaction. Fully, that would be 17%. That is an awesome potential gain. Should you long like only 10 times, or I don't know, maybe some of you think that 10x is too big. Even 5x is you already made almost 90% with the downside potential. You can set the stop loss just below this line, maybe sorry, a little bit here. Is the price range to here. Well, should be fine. If you use 5x, it's like a 30% loss, but you have like a 90% potential. So risk reward ratio of 1/3. That will be awesome. Right? That's for the short to medium term. Maybe it will be there in like 1 or 2 weeks, assuming that Bitcoin doesn't do anything stupid. All right. Let me just delete all the arrows. This is okay. Here. What's next after this? What's next? Okay. Let's see this. You see this yellow line is my weekly resistance. Okay, so like this was the support, the turned into resistance, and then this is the resistance. Let's just play a hopium game that XLM will break this line. It will go to 0.16, and that's a huge upside potential. You see, even if you long only 5x, it's already humongous. It's 50. So you have a 250% profit potential. So that is awesome for XLM. Okay. Let's try to look for other confluence for indicators. Let me just use this EMA. Okay, oh, sorry, actually I have EMA here. I usually use 50, and in the daily actually, Stellar Lumens just tested this indicator and it bounced like violently. So yeah, I would say the upside potential is still there. And you see this, the volume is going low like this, while the pattern is quite a lot, quite almost the same, decreasing. Sorry for my bad English. Again, we just need to see the big breakout, and we'll say if the volume goes like this, and this is what they call it, a solid green candle, then okay, we will go to that target. First, this 0.12, then 0.124 ish, and that's it. That's for XLM. Okay, maybe for you who wants to invest in the long term, perhaps only just buying the spot, you can see so much upside potential, because I mean after 0.328, 0.32, there's not much resistance here. It's just air with a little bit of resistance here. You see this 0.16, 0.19, and even further, it's 0.2. That's big. So as long as the overall crypto market can handle or can sustain this bull potential, this coin will make you rich. Okay. Now let's see the what's next. Oh, Cardano USDT. Yeah, basically Cardano still have the quite similar pattern to XLM. See this? This is the weekly upside potential. After this, there's not much thing to do. It's just air until 0.22. And then after that, I don't know, here it's almost twice. So it's almost double up. This will be a really good potential for Cardano. Okay, I don't know about the other markets, but okay, let's see. Perhaps this is enough lah. Okay, let's see the daily time frame for Cardano. Okay, same as XLM, but okay, the pattern is not as pretty as XLM. Okay, rather than using this like a triangle, I will just use this like something like this. So you can start to enter Cardano long or buy position upon breakout of this line. Okay, so the breakout must be followed by a big green volume. You see, like this one, and it has to close full green in, I don't know, in at least 4 hours. 1 hour 15 minutes, that's not enough. It has to close in 4 hours or maybe one day. Then that's where we can talk about, okay, let's say it's from here. You open position from here, 70% with the downside potential. Use put a little bit of a tight stop loss. It should be fine. Maybe here, okay. But if Cardano breaks this 0.68, that's a whopping 57%. Again, another up. I don't want to think about it. Or maybe I should. It's just the potential, okay? So you might want to buy a physical Cardano. What was it? I think it was 0.38. Let's say here, 0.38. Yeah, it's 160%. That's a lot. That's a lot of loss of profit. Okay. Now, the third crypto that I want to I want to show you. It's the Binance own native coin. It's the BNB. BNB. Let's say BNB USDT. Well, sorry, this is my previous analysis. Let's just erase it all. Basically, for BNB, okay, let's see. We just cleared a resistance here. See this? Yeah, and then now we are heading towards minor resistance here and here. Okay, that's for BNB. But what makes me happy is that, let's see, in 4 hours. So basically, BNB is still respecting this EMA so far, 50 EMA. Let me just do a trend line from here. Just do it like this. And let's actually make a channel then. Let me just duplicate this. There you go. Now this is beautiful. It was a fake out, but then it touched the bottom. Now it's more or less perhaps a legit breakout, trying to retest, even though the volume is not that big compared to this massive sell-off. But yeah, this might be the breakout that we are waiting for. Okay, if you want to open a trade, you might want to, you see, if you open here, the upside potential is 4%. For the next target, it's 22%. Now you can just set the stop loss just when it goes inside the channel or just below this broken resistance, so to speak. Yeah, 4% should be fine. This should be fine. That should be a fine setup. No, you just have to make sure that you don't over leverage, you don't over margin. Okay, just don't use 100x. That's just not worth it. Okay, so that's it. Maybe I can try to find some confluence with Fibonacci. Let me see this Fibonacci here. Okay, there's still a potential to go to here, but if it doesn't, well, we might as well go away. Actually, not there. Let's just consider this swing high here. It's almost the same. This is just a scam week. So, let's consider this a start of a new trend. Then let's see. This from here, this is the first impulse. There's a potential of retracement to the broken resistance there. We might go to 24.26. A good deal, I think. So yeah. So, but I need to remind you that there's always what do you call it? There's always a downside potential. Keep yourself level headed. I always want you don't over leverage. Maybe 10 is 10 or 20. 20 once in a while. 10, 5 is good leverage already. Don't use 25x. Don't use 50. Don't use 100 or I don't know. I think 20 is the max, and perhaps you should do it this once in every 10 or 20 trades, just for the sake of adrenaline rush. Maybe don't do over leverage and just keep your stop loss there. Make sure that you don't make sure that you always put stop loss and don't let your ego goes over your head. If you are wrong, then you are wrong. Just admit it and cut your loss. Okay. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe me and don't be the majority. Be a legend. Thanks for watching.